Hello, welcome back to Gyan Darshan tutorial page. Let us discuss the term final goods and intermediate goods in macroeconomics, national income accounting topic. There are two kinds of goods in business world. The one is called final goods and other is called intermediate goods. What is intermediate goods? Let us discuss first of all. Intermediate goods are those are to be used in further production or increasing the value of the goods. It means the intermediate goods increases value of the goods in the market. For example, if bike is produced in factory, so factory buys so many things from others like tire, tubes, glasses, iron products, screws, bolts, so many things it buy from others, and all those things are used by such factory to produce a bike. So all the things used by bike to produce the bike is called intermediate goods. After finishing and making ready a bike, the factory sold those bikes to some distributors. So what happens? Distributors buy those bikes from the factory and store them in their large godowns, storehouse, godowns. So, and after few times, what they do? All those distributors sell all those bikes to the different parts, to the wholesalers in different parts of India. So what happens if the factory has bought bikes from the distributors has bought such bikes from factory for rupees 40,000. So all the goods and services used by factories to make that bike ready is called intermediate goods. Again, the distributor is storing such bikes in their godown, not actually using or buying anything to increase its value, but automatically those bikes are being sold by those distributors to some wholesalers in different parts of a country. So what happens? That distributor charges a higher price. Suppose it charges 45,000 or 50,000. So it has increased its value by 10,000. Although the distributor has not bought anything to increase its value, but since it has to gain or make profit in their business, that is why which the product which they have bought for rupees 40,000, they are going to sell it to wholesalers at rupees 50,000. So they are gaining by 10,000. In economics, this is called value addition. So that 10,000 value addition by distributors is again called intermediate goods. Now what happens? Those wholesalers are selling all those bikes to different retailers in their region, right? So all those retailers suppose bought such bikes for rupees 60,000. What happens? The wholesalers actually do not produce anything. They have stored it and sold it to retailers. So they have also to gain, they have also to make profit. And against storage facility, they have to they have to maintain staffs and offices, and also they have to earn profit for all on behalf of all these things. They increase the price by rupees 10,000. So there is an increase in value addition of the bike. Initially it was 40,000, then it became 50,000, and now it is 60,000. So retailers bought the bike for rupees 60,000. So in again 10,000 increase in the value of bike is called intermediate goods, right? Now such bikes which retailers have bought for rupees 60,000, now they are selling it to different consumers, to household sectors, to government sectors, or to non-trading organizations for rupees 80,000 suppose. So what is happening? Again retailers is increasing price by rupees 20,000. Why increasing? Because they have to make profit. They are also maintaining staffs, AC is running, electrical expenses is happening, cleaning expenses, fooding, entertainment expenses. There are so many expenses a retailers has to make in their showroom. So on behalf of all these things, they increase the price here by rupees 20,000, and finally they are selling that product to final consumers. So the product which was bought by retailers from wholesalers was intermediate goods, but the same product when sold to final consumers at rupees 80,000 is called now final goods. Why it is now called final goods? Because the final consumers, we household people, when buy bikes or car or AC or fridge, we are not buying it for resale. We don't have to make business. We buy it for self consumption. So whenever a product is bought for self consumption, then it is called final goods. Thank you.